So I am still working on the application right here. Uh, then so I'm working on the GitHub page right here, and so I'm working with the Kimi right now. Uh, so trying to find out what is the issue. Um, well, the app works on the browser, so you can see this is the app right here. So observatory. So today's mirror, what is here when there is no thought? The observatory, a space for silent observation and self-inquiry. There's a library here. You are eternal. Get this straight. So there are a bunch of uh, fragments from the mirror. So there is a journey. Who is the thinker? The dream of reality, quantum plexus. And then there's a meditation. Begin meditation. And there's a journal. So what? Without thinking, what is here now? So it had a journal. You can type it up here. You know. So you can write a journal, save reflection. So you can save the reflection and then go to the source. And so you can click here, go to the physical book, get the physical book or get the audio book. So it has all the app is working on the browser. So we're just trying to fix it to why fix it on the phone, uh, iPhone. So so it looks like everything is working here. So we're just gonna do some testing and then looking to see what is causing the what code is causing the app not to work. So I need to change the YML file. So I need to go over here and change the YML file. So it asked me to change this line. So instead of changing this line, I'm just going to say so I'm going to let the let the Kimi do the work. Uh, I don't want to code line by line. It's kind of hard to see. Um, so I'm just gonna let them code and change the YML file. Okay. So now I'm gonna change the YML file, and I'm gonna commit changes. Okay, and after I do that, I'm gonna do all this. Git add workflow. So it didn't match. It didn't match. The workflow file doesn't work. The workflows, so creating workflows. So that right there. Now I'm going to deploy that. Did not match file. So it says didn't match file. So why didn't it match the file? So let's see, you can change the YML. I think that's the same one. Committed that. So I did the changes. So now I'm going to do not match the file again. So yeah, it's asking me to do a lot of work here. I don't want to like show you all this tedious work, but as a developer, uh, this is not coding. This is a vibe coding, or I am AI augmented coding. AI augmented coding or vibe coding. This is what it is. I am coding, but I am coding with a copilot. And then my copilot right now is the large language model LLM, and in this case, I'm using Kimi. I was working with the DeepSeek, and I spent hours, and it did me. My co-pilot did not help me well, so I switched to Kimi, and Kimi actually helped me deploy it. So now I have the app that's working in the browser. So now I am working to create the app to work on the phone. So that's what I am doing right now. Uh, so I am working the queue. Okay, so it's asked me to do a bunch of stuff. So okay, I'm not gonna do this on this video cast or podcast, whatever you want to call this. But like I said, you've seen the working app or application that works on the browser. Okay, on the dev environment. So it is all here. This app is working. So now I'm going to make it work on the phone, and also I'm going to tweak it to make it better. So I'm going to share that in the next video. Until next time, have a good evening.